Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Showers have been surprisingly scarce today, most of them only affecting islands and coastal extremities. But sooner or later they'll have to start pushing inland as the wind turns more and more easterly. Minimum temperatures are starting to climb and it won't get cold again until early next week. The temp range today in Townsville was 16 to 27 degrees with Charters Towers reaching 25. On the satellite loop now, you can see it's still very bare across Queensland. The coastal fringe showers that have been occurring are hard to see because they're right on the coastline. It's mostly low cloud that you very rarely see on these enhancements. But over the next 2-3 days, they have to start coming ashore because the winds are turning more and more onshore and they'll push them across the land rather than parallel. On today's chart now, we've got our main big high pressure system, about 1033, now moving across into the Tasman Sea. Winds are still south of southeast, which is why they're going parallel to the coast and bringing the showers accordingly and not crossing land. This little blip here is actually a trough that's moving into northern New South Wales, and it's already starting to rain quite heavy on the Gold Coast and near Brisbane now. On tomorrow's chart, the showers will be a lot more widespread with a high now further out to sea and the winds more onshore. And on the outlook chart, another showery day statewide, but now we've got an inland frontal system moving across, which on the weekend could even bring some storms to the south. Now the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Townsville waters, east to southeast winds 20 to 25 knots tomorrow on a 2-metre swell outside the reef. Friday's winds still reaching 25 knots, Saturday dropping below 20. Our high tide's coming in pretty late tomorrow, around midday at most ports or a little later. Not the biggest tide you'll ever see, but it's decent, so take precautions. Now the Herbert and Alberta, a cloudy day, but showers once again will be mainly in the north. Townsville 17 to 26 degrees. Ayr 26 as well, Ingham 25, Northern Goldfields and Upper Flinders a possible shower on the Gregory Ranges, Charters Towers reaching 25 degrees after a low of 15, Georgetown a top of 30. Looking ahead for Townsville, no more cold nights until Monday, Tuesday, when the next southerly change brings our minimum temperatures down again. Should be a mostly sunny weekend ahead of that change. Look at this spectacular photo, one of the finest in my fog folder. It was taken just recently from the Obi lookout at Mableton, where the rising sun revealed a thick blanket of condensation over the Mary Valley. Acknowledgement to Wes Davidson for the photo. Thank you, Wes. Have a splendid evening. And now it's back to the team.
Thank you very much, Liv. Lovely having your company. We'll catch you tomorrow night.
And a reminder that you can watch a replay of 7 News on 7 Plus. From all of us here, enjoy your evening. Good night.
Good night.